Just another quick video showing you that how you could potentially dislodge a jammed fan without fully dismantling a computer. So this particular laptop is a Toshiba with a not a dedicated hatch for the cooler. So that means in order to clean out the cooler, so what ends up happening is over time dust builds up inside between the fan and the exhaust port, or sorry, the fan and the exhaust port here, and there's like actual solid dust bunnies that manifest in there. And once the dust bunnies become once the dust collects and it becomes a solid piece, when you go and shoot compressed air in the back, you actually push the dust bunnies back and they jam inside the fan fins. And at that point, normally what happens is you have to dismantle the entire laptop in order to clean it if it doesn't have an access hatch at the back. Why they don't put access hatches, that's beyond me, but they don't in many cases. So, and this one is particularly a bit of a hassle to take apart. So, so what I've done is you can see here on the to the overview here. So what I do, and usually like this technique is useful for older machines, obviously, where it's not worth the hassle to tear it apart. Or okay, so I got that open. So what I did is I just, with my tweezers, I just sort of worked that open a little bit so it's wide now, and I just used the paper clip to just turn the fins to get the dust bunny to that exit spot. Okay. So there we go. So then you can essentially just slowly pull it out, and wow, that's a big one. In fact, I don't even think you need the microscope view for that. Yeah, look how big that thing is. So, and I've noticed this is more prominent with pets, but of course it's not. It can happen just from general dust and whatnot. So at this point, I would blow compressed air in here again and see if there's anything else obstructing the fan. And what it's a good thing to do is to blow it in this way and this way, and just make sure the fan is completely free and that nothing is obstructing it. So hopefully that's helpful to somebody who does not want to fully dismantle a working laptop and has a jammed fan. And then after you're done here, you can just sort of bend the things, the little fins back, or the grill back where it belongs. So hopefully that's helpful.